Great. So what happens when you are in college? Probably these are the 6 ways that you initially look for. Okay, first way is that you can probably take money from your friends and family, right? Or founders can put their own money, which is called friends, family, and founders. Some people call it friends, family, and fools. That you have taken some money from your friends and you have taken some money from your family and you have started a business. And in return, you have given them the shares of your company, right? And there's something which everyone knows about. Okay, there's nothing special or nothing unique in this particular case. But I just wanted to share it with you that this is how. This is also one alternative. Second alternative, which probably less people would be knowing, is crowdfunding. That you can also list your startups on crowdfunding platforms. So these crowdfunding websites are nothing but a place where you can list your business ideas. And people who are looking to invest in startups, or if they're interested in a particular thing that you are doing, or if they're interested in that particular solution that you're offering, anyone from any part of the world can invest in your idea. So what you have to do, you just have to put your details on this crowdfunding platform, and people come here to look at business different models. And if they're interested, they can either they can if it's a non-profit organization, they can donate some amount, they can give you some grant, they can give you some support, they can even invest. So different crowdfunding platforms have their different way of working, right? But it gives you let us say a virtual real estate where people can actually go and have a look at your ideas. Okay, so people know that these crowdfunding platforms are there and they exist because just to list business ideas. तो पर्पस बहुत क्लियर होता है, तो जो भी उस क्राउड फंडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म पे आएगा वो एक्चुअली क्या, तो इस माइंडसेट से आएगा कि कोई मुझे स्टार्टअप लिस्ट करना है या मुझे स्टार्टअप में इन्वेस्ट करना है. So it's a platform, right? And what they do, because they are listing you on their platform, so they charge some commission. For example, if I have a crowdfunding platform and through me you were able to raise 1 lakh rupees, right? Matlab, my platform was there. You just filled a few details, attached a few pictures, and your idea was live on my website. And people came and people invested. So probably maybe if you have collected 10 lakh rupees, I might take some commission, like 3-4%, and then I will give rest of the amount to you. So in that case, crowdfunding platforms also earn money because they charge some commission on the whole amount. Okay. The third strategy is side hustle. Side hustle simply means that if I'm working on a startup, probably I'm also doing a job simultaneously, and the salary that I'm getting from my job, I'm putting some amount in my business on a regular basis. And that is how I'm trying to keep the things going on, right? Fourth, again, which is a very underrated strategy, is crowdfunding challenges and microfunding competitions. In schools, not in schools, but these days they have started in schools. In schools, colleges, universities, and different institutions, what they do, they plan different business plan competitions, right? In which they generally have a very attractive price, like 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 10 lakh, 15 lakh, 20 lakh, right? So what you do, participate in as many as business plan competitions as you can. Go on dare to compete, find out B plan competitions, try to participate in as much B plan competitions as you can, because if you win, you if you win, you get a handsome cash prize which can work as a seed capital. Even if you don't win, you get a validation, right? You get a validation to understand that if your idea was not selected, what was not there in your idea probably. So after getting that right feedback, you can again make changes in your idea and start pitching in again different B plan competition, right? So there are many B plan competitions organized by IIM Bangalore, IIM Ahmedabad, IITs, right? In Delhi University, there are so many B plan competitions that they organize throughout the year. Participate in all the B plan competitions, all the challenges.